Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, May 17th, 2024. Check out the Grok radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.6 cents, up 1.57% with volume down 10.01%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.6 cents and a low of 12.2. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,368,013,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 9,722,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 311,674 holders, up 39. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 43.72%, number 2 is Coinbase with 9.83%, and number 3 OKX with 8.74%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 207,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on top.